This is Randy, and this is another OneShotTactics video. I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks on airsoft sniping. Over there we have Tango. He's patrolling the perimeter if you can see him. Number one rule, make sure everything is working. Because the worst thing that can happen is your gun keeps misfeeding, double feeding, whatever, and you don't hit them. Gives away your position and you get shot to hell. Alright, let's start off. His back's turned to us. The way you have to walk in a ghillie suit is different than any other things. You have to slouch and make your silhouette sort of blend in with the background. Try not to walk on anything that's going to make a lot of noise. Like these leaves are wet, so it's fine, but the branches, all that, is going to attract attention. And most fields, trenches, whatever, right here, there's a little mini trench. What you can do is plop down with your ghillie suit, and there's a trail up there where the attackers would lead from. You can sit right here, have your teammate cover you up with leaves, whatever, and take them out unseen. But our objective right now is there's only one hostile over there. You have to get them without being able to see. There's a civilian over there dressed in blue near lawnmower, so we have to be careful where we place our shots. They're talking right now, so. Trying to find a hide or a place to shoot your enemy from. It's a good thing to do is to find a place where you can escape from and be able to take a shot and run away from multiple different exits. Keep you from being captured by the enemy or whatever. Over there's a fallen tree with some roots lifted up. We're gonna go. Oh shit! Get down. He's probably gonna come and investigate. What you're gonna want to do is stay as low as you can to the ground. Make it look like you are the terrain. In this situation, if you're seen, best thing to do is to crawl it out. I think he thought we were just a bush or something. But just in case, you don't want to try to bear crawl or something to that extent to hide the silhouette. And try not to make any noise at all. This isn't going to be our final sniping position. I'm just trying to get as close as the enemy as I can to be able to get an accurate shot without missing. That's a good thing to be able to know that you're hitting without missing, but you're also going to want to have coverage. Another factor that comes into play when you're sniping them is the windage. You can normally tell the windage by tall grass, whatever. You can lick your finger or whatever works for you, but the best way is if you have if you have access to the weather channel or something like that, look at the average wind speed at your house and see what like sways in the wind, and you'll be able to know for future reference. There's a term in the military called DOPE, data on previous engagements. It means pretty much the mistakes and things that you've learned, you put it to your advantage later on. He's right here. You want to lay down. they'll be able to shoot them. They still hear all the flares. There's no possibility to go get them. It's also good to know you're going to be watching for a couple minutes, see what they do. If they're nervous when they pop around corners, where did they frequently go to? Right here, he spots up, moving to a different corner here. Shooting at it. And then you can relocate to the other get the shot. He's controlling the outer reaches of the house. We're going to move over there and try to take a shot when it comes back to the other control. As you can see, tree branches get stuck in the ghillie a lot, so it's a good thing to not panic. Don't panic because you're going to make a whole lot of rustle in the woods, and it's not going to be natural. And if it's during the summertime, this is spring right now where we're playing at, it's a good idea to try not to disturb the animals, because if the players that you're playing against are smart, they'll realize, oh, someone's over there. There's no birds, there's no chirping, there's no bugs, nothing. So, over here's a fallen down rock. I'm going to try to take a shot. Right over there, you can maybe see him through the woods, but it's probably a slim possibility that you'll see him. He's gonna come back around here, survey the woods, try to see if he spots any enemies. So far he's just scoping out the land, so he didn't spot us earlier. I thought he almost did. Right now, you gotta take 2 deep breaths. And on the 3rd exhale, you hold your breath in between, and it'll lower your heart rate. In most video games, it'll show snipers using this tactic. I'm gonna use it now to take down the tango. You have to stay low. I missed this round. He's looking at us. Wait. Almost got him again. He's hit. Alright. This is Randy. This has been a OneShotTactics sniper training. Post in the comments box any suggestions for future videos and we'll do them. This is Randy, signing out.